Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English for toddlers. To start, integrate English into your child's everyday life. Use simple, repetitive phrases like good morning or let's eat during meals. Label common objects around your home in English, pointing and saying the words clearly. This consistent exposure helps build a foundational understanding naturally and easily. Make learning fun through engaging activities. Sing popular English nursery rhymes and songs together. The rhythm and repetition are excellent for memory. Read colorful English picture books aloud, pointing to the images as you say the words. Also, incorporate English into playtime, describing toys or actions, making it an enjoyable and interactive experience for your little one. Utilize visual and auditory aids to reinforce learning. Short, educational English cartoons can introduce new vocabulary and sounds in an engaging way. Flashcards with clear images and corresponding English words are fantastic for visual learners. Additionally, listening to simple English audio stories or podcasts can help your toddler become accustomed to the language's rhythm and pronunciation. Patience and consistency are key to success. Celebrate every small milestone, like when your child repeats a new word or phrase. Always maintain a positive and encouraging environment, making English learning a joyful experience. Dedicate a consistent 15 to 20 minutes daily to English activities, ensuring steady progress without overwhelming your toddler.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.